The President of Kyrgyzstan is the head of state and the highest official of the Kyrgyz Republic. The President, according to the Constitution, is the symbol of the unity of people and state power, and is the guarantor of the Constitution of the Kyrgyz Republic, and of an individual and citizen. The President is directly elected for no more than one 6-year term by the Kyrgyz electorate. The office of President was established in 1990, replacing the chairman of the Supreme Soviet that existed, in different forms, from 1927 whilst the country was known as the Kirghiz Soviet Socialist Republic. The first popularly elected officeholder was Askar Akayev, who served from October 1990 until March 24, 2005. In July 2005, Kurmanbek Bakiyev was elected. He was re-elected in 2009, but large riots in April 2010 forced him to resign and flee the country. Roza Otunbayeva was selected in April 2010 to head the interim government. She was officially inaugurated on July 3, 2010, as president for a limited term, until elections could be organized. Her successor, Almazbek Atambayev, was elected in the Kyrgyzstani presidential election in 2011 and took over on 1 December 2011. On October 16, 2017, Sooronbay Jeenbekov, the former Prime Minister of Kyrgyzstan, was elected president of the country. He took office on 24 November 2017.